What's up guys, Clint here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a beautiful coastal flake with the gray flake NXT 24. Let's check out the back of the boat. As we're inside the boat, the interior is a nice stealth gray interior with coastal accents throughout the whole boat. Again, a lot of room in these NXT 24s, communicating storage underneath here, awesome glove box. Massive bow, pickle fork design, so it gives you wider space up here for entertaining or just hanging out. Again, with the dash, you're gonna have your surf settings. Everything's preset from the factory, ready to go. Surf left, surf right. Presets for wakeboarding, intermediate, beginner, advanced as well. Very easy to use boat. Again, my name is Clint Riether here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Come by and see us and check out our MasterCraft lines. Thanks.